controversial and could potentially have been damaging. At this time in the electoral cycle, David Cameron's not going to want to risk a similar thing, and so he's playing it very safe. He knows there's no public support, so he's not leading on this, he's following public opinion.
Joe Twyman of YouGov. Let's pursue that now with our political correspondent Ian Watson, who's there for us at Westminster. How closely do you think David Cameron and others at the top of government are conscious of those kinds of poll findings, Ian?
I think they are conscious, indeed, Julian. Sorry. Pardon me.
No, don't worry. Are you okay to carry on? If not, we'll come back to you.
Sorry.
Don't worry. We will come back to you, Ian. We'll come back to you. We will return to Ian Watson.